Welcome to the Cinta Fabrica Enterprises. Cinta Fabrica was established in 1973. It's recognized as the leading manufacturer and exporter of aigillets, cap cords, whistle cords and lanyards, sashes, shoulders, braids, sword knots, berets and feather hackles, hand embroidery badges, tassels, dress and banner cords, caps and peaks, gloves, accessories in the world. Our special products are aigillets, hand embroidery badges, sword knots. Our company has provided high-quality uniform accessories for over 32 years. Our website attempts to show our growing range of products, and we hope in its pages you will find items to suit your requirements, whatever your involvement with the uniform accessories. We have built our reputation over the years by supplying first-class uniform accessories at realistic prices, and we have attempted to continue the movement with new products, which our customers send to copy them. Our mission undertook the mission to conduct fair trading and earn trust worldwide. We are to assure quality, reliability and due diligence. Company profile. Cinta Fabrica is organized by qualified and experienced peoples. TQM environment lead the company at international standards, and company is expert and capable to processes minimum to maximum level of order along with logistical services. We invite you to please put us any of your trade task and testify our wonderful services. Note: Cinta Fabrica Enterprises and Upton Enterprises are partners. Our main customer: Jamaica Defense Force, Nigeria Police, Nigeria Army, Nigeria Air Force, Nigeria Navy, Colombia Army, Colombia Air Force, Colombia Navy, Oman Army, United Arab Emirates, Dubai Police, Dubai Army, French Army, Spain Army, and the other departments. Thanks for the watching. Managing Director: Bilal Ahmed. Chief Executive Officer Mr. Mati Yor Rahman. Manufacture Manager Mr. Atta Yor Rahman. Export Manager Mr. Mati Yor Rahman. Manufacturer Specialist Mr. Rashid Ali.